Today is December 9th, and Niko is eating his lunch. He's so hungry. He walked to the post office with Mommy to mail out all the orders. And we walked to the park. And now he's eating so nicely. You show everybody how you eat so nicely. Look at your little toesies. It's so nice outside. It's sunny. The sun is shining. We're so lucky to live in LA, where it's hot in December. You want to say hi? Say hi, Daddy. I'm eating lunch. Say, I worked so hard with Mom this morning packaging, walking to the post office. Give me my food. Okay, okay. So hungry. We love you. Over and out.